This is Sportage 2021. I'm going to program the remote because I already programmed the all keys lost. One is original, one is 6 horse remote. So I'm going to program the remote only. Remote is not working, that's why. So let's see how to program the remote. Go to Kia Hyundai. Manual selected. Kia. I can go to the Europe. Sportage. Where are you, Sportage? Sportage. 2019-21. Remote. Program remote. Switch ignition on already. Switch ignition off. Remove key. Okay. Press unlock button. Program success. If you want more, yes. Program lock or unlock button. Success. No need more. Program is completed. I can check the remote. Working. Check the original one. It's also working. Lock, unlock button, everything. And check lock, unlock, everything on. Check the copy one. Lock, unlock. It's not pressing. I need to check it is not pressing, so it's working, everything is fine. Thank you guys. This Kia Sportage 2021. I just programmed the remotes. Thank you.